welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about the review of Stay Quirky makeup remover balm. Well, I am so excited to share this review with you guys because nowadays makeup remover balm is so much in trend right now. All the micellar water, the cleansing milk has just gone so obsolete, and I think makeup remover balm just does a great job to remove your makeup. I picked up this particular makeup remover balm from Stay Quirky just because it is so affordable. I have always used a micellar water or a cleansing milk to remove my makeup, but it was not that easy while removing my makeup because I always had to rub my face vigorously, and it just made my skin so much irritated. But when I got in my hand this particular product, that is the Stay Quirky makeup remover balm, it is so easy. Life is so sorted. Like, if you have that tons of makeup on your face, it's just going to come off quickly after applying this makeup remover balm. I think the texture and the consistency of the makeup remover balm is just like a petroleum jelly, so it helps your makeup to melt down easily and it comes off from your face. So I find this one very helpful and very easy to remove your makeup. So this is how the Stay Quirky makeup removing balm looks like. This is the outer packaging. It comes in a very simple black cardboard square box. If you are interested to know more about this makeup removing balm, then you should definitely go through the story that is given right at the back of this cardboard box. It is written, once upon a time a group of obeyed chic, super skilled and totally badass scientists set out on a journey, #travel diaries. They had a profound and prolific proficiency in chemistry, #too much English. They were looking to discover rare elements that would assist them in making the most kick-ass formulation. They crossed oceans, mountains, deserts, valleys, forests, and finally reached the world of Quirky. So breathing in the love and fashion that was there in the air, they started cooking at the ultra futuristic labs, #state of the art. They mixed sugar, spice and everything nice. They purposely added chemical Quirky to it. Voila! For the sassy, for the classy, for the fancy, Stay Quirky was born, #Stay Quirky. So basically, if you know more about this particular brand, that is #Stay Quirky, you should definitely go through the story, the cute little story that they have mentioned right at the backside of their packaging. So I am really sold out after reading this story because it is so cute, and in a whole they have just described about this brand so nicely and so in an elegant way. So I pretty love this packaging as well as the story behind it. So I'm quickly going to give you the ingredients list that is already mentioned here. So it is made of mineral oil, argan oil, watermelon seed oil, water aqua, citrusy fragrance, oil, orange peel oil, alcohol and glycerin. So I think the alcohol, glycerin, aqua and the mineral oil are the most important ingredients in this particular product. Plus they also have argan oil, which is absolutely good for moisturizing effect. Aqua is very good for moisturizing effect, and glycerin is definitely will make your skin so much hydrated and so much pulpy. So I think it's just absolutely a great makeup removing balm, which is not going to make your skin drying, but yet it's going to give you that moisturizing effect, plus will remove and take off your makeup nicely. They have mentioned their ingredient list, the manufacturing date, the net amount of the product and the price also. So the price of this particular Stay Quirky removing balm is 349 rupees, and it contains 30 gram of product, and the shelf life is 3 years. Like, it's a really great and long years. So according to this price range, the net amount of the product is quite good, and the shelf life is super lengthy. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes in a glass tub like this. It is a 30 gram of product and it is quite heavy as because it is made out of glass, so be careful with it. Plus there is a stick-on paper just around the tub which also mentions the same thing that is already mentioned on the cardboard packaging. So this is how the product looks like. It is white in color and the texture and the consistency is very thin, just like petroleum jelly. Not exactly like petroleum jelly, little bit thicker than that, but it somewhat looks like a lip balm. I find the smell more of a rosy kind of smell than a citrusy one, because on the packaging in the ingredients list it has mentioned that it has a citrusy fragrance, but I don't find that citrusy smell into it. So I have already shared the packaging part of it. Now it's time to give you the demonstration. So let's get into it. So do massage this particular makeup removing balm for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that every bit of your makeup just comes off and melts off nicely. Do not splash water after applying this because it is a oil-like substance and you know already that oil and water doesn't mix. So if you splash water and try to remove it with face wash, you may get pimples on your skin because it is also made out of mineral oil. Instead of water, do wipe it off with a wet tissue or a wet towel, so it will give you better result. So you can see guys, amount of makeup that was on my face is no more. So it's a very painless, torture free procedure of removing my makeup. So you can see guys, it is so easy and so helpful to use a wet tissue instead of splashing water. I will highly recommend you guys to try out this makeup removing balm, which is not only affordable in price but has a good quantity, and the shelf life is also for 3 years, which is very good, and it removes your makeup so nicely and so easily, will give you that painless and torture free procedure of removing your makeup. So give it a try guys, give it a shot. It's time to take care of my skin and I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine. So let's start with that. So I have this Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist. So basically I'm just going to spray it all over my face because I had a lot of makeup on my face. So now I just need that freshness and that fresh fragrance and that fresh mist on my face, which will soothe and calm down my skin. So yes, by this I end my video right here because I think after this fresh face mist my skin needs more pampering and more relaxment. So I'm going to continue doing my night skincare routine. So by this I end my video right here, and do let me know in the comment section below whether you really like this Stay Quirky makeup removing balm or not. And if you really find this video to be informative, helpful and interesting, then please do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.